EV energy. Europe wants to make the transition to a climate-neutral economy in 2050. Electric mobility plays a crucial role in this transition. That's why 5 cities and regions began the EV Energy Project 2.5 years ago, to learn and benefit from each other's policies and good practices in the field of electric transport and the energy management systems that are needed to support this transition. So, what's been achieved thus far? Let's take a look at each of the 5. We'll start in Rome. Rome took a close look at the power parking project in Flevoland and is now developing plans for similar hubs on the edges of the city. Rome wants to encourage the use of EVs for the journey to the power parkings. From there, commuters can transfer to public transport to go into the city center. The Lazio region is investing in public transport with greater capacity and lower emissions. Barcelona already had a strategic plan for electric mobility, but was then inspired by Amsterdam's demand-driven approach. Residents can apply for a charging station, so facilities are available where they're needed the most. This practice will be adapted to the Catalan context, starting with a specific charging infrastructure strategy for electric motor scooters. Kaunas, in Lithuania, is a different story altogether. The use of electric transportation is starting to get full attention. Through the EV Energy Project, Kaunas was able to make use of the experience and best practices of other cities. This gave them a head start. The results are the development of an EV charging network, following the example of Barcelona, and of a website where motorists can find objective information about electric transport, charging, and services. The regionally oriented approach of the EV Energy Project gave Stockholm useful insights. In the last 2 years, cooperation and coordination between public and private stakeholders in the region has intensified and led to a more integrated approach in developing sustainable transport solutions. Flevoland, in cooperation with Amsterdam, considered the way that Stockholm integrates all elements of sustainability in their large area development called the Royal Seaport Project. As part of a development of Lelystad Airport and its adjacent business park, a future-proof energy system is being designed to balance energy supply and demand on an area level. The 5 partners are now entering the second phase of the project. The coming 2 years will be used for implementing all the newly gained insights. The EV Energy Adventure was made possible thanks to the Interreg Europe program, which stimulates the sharing of knowledge, experience, and solutions between countries, regions, and cities in Europe. Together on the road to 100% sustainable energy use in Europe.